In this video, I'm going to show you how to close a ticket in NinjaOne. So managing tickets efficiently is essential for IT teams, and closing a ticket properly ensures that the issue is resolved and logged correctly. So first, make sure you are on the official website of NinjaOne.com and already logged in with your credentials. So unfortunately, I can't show you directly the entire process because of the restrictions here in NinjaOne. So assumingly, we have an access to the main interface of the NinjaOne's dashboard. So on the left hand menu, you will be able to see there the tickets, and then you can search or filters to find the tickets you want to close. You can click on the ticket to open its details, and then after that, check the issue details and ensure all necessary actions have been completed. So if needed, update the ticket notes with a resolution summary. So if you need a confirmation from the client or user, you can send a final response before closing. And after that, click on the status drop down menu and then select close or resolve depending on your workflow settings, and then click save or update to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you close a ticket in NinjaOne. So keeping your ticket system updated helps maintain workflow efficiency and ensures that all issues are properly documented. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.